Honda people out there, you guys know. If I had my air conditioning on, all the power gone.
I could feel a distinct difference when I'd be driving on the highway and I didn't have cruise control on or whatever. I could feel like I could go and turn AC all the way up. I could see the RPMs just go. Same with the heater too. Is that like I'd have to not budget, but I have to think, okay, like my car's parked outside. It was 2 degrees outside last night. I gotta defrost my windshield somehow. So I cranked that all the way up, and then I would have to like turn it to half to get to school because I had to drive up like a pretty steep hill. Yeah. Right. So I was just like, okay, we got to crank it down to half in order to make it up. But we'll get there, man.
I did the exact same stuff in my Honda anytime I was going onto the highway. If I had my air conditioning on, I'd be like, turn it off. Yeah. I'd get up to speed and I'd turn it back on.
Dude, that was the other thing. Switches, they only worked going down.
For the power windows?
Yeah, for the power windows. Because I didn't have like the rotator.
Manual windows.
But I didn't have that. Mine were power windows, right?
Yeah.
So I could lower them both on the control panel, but I could only raise the driver's side with that, right?
Oh my gosh.
So I'd have to reach across to the other one and flip that one. And actually sometimes it would work. And it gave me hope. And I was like, oh, it's fixed. I haven't done anything, but it just works.
Yeah.